Rehman College of Dentistry is organizing a research certificate course for the last 2 years, and we have almost trained 11 batches in health research from across the country, across the profession of both medical, dental, and allied health sciences. International Conference in Health Research 2024 is going to be held on 26th of April till 28. We have arranged 32 greater number of pre-conference workshops. There are around 750 registered participants participating in this conference. Research scholars from across the country and abroad are being arrived from tomorrow onward. There will be a number of research activities, plenary session, panel discussion, poster competition, quiz competition, scientific sessions, undergraduate and postgraduate research conference, research cafe, and networking. And Rehman Medical Institution, Alhamdulillah, is providing a good platform for all the researchers and aspirants in the field of research.